Hi to all you amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Naaz Arora. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that it was my best friend's wedding. So I thought of creating a lookbook for you guys. I wore this bodysuit from Cooves, paired it up with this chic drape skirt from Zara and this ruffled dupatta from Alaya by Stage 3 into Mahima Mahajan, and these heels from Aldo. My bag is from Michael Kors and these shades are from a random store in Thailand. I love how casual and chic the whole look turned out to be. Next is this beautiful Sangeet look. I've got this lehenga, pre-stitched lehenga from Flipkart, and then I got the blouse stitched and sized according to myself. The best part about this lehenga is its back. I got a bow made and I love how floral, free flowing and beautiful it looks. I got a strappy blouse with a sweetheart neckline and a normal free flowing skirt. That's it for the Sangeet look. Next is my Hindu wedding or the reception of Bharat look. So I wore this black and gold lehenga, but this one is different. It is fully an Indianized lehenga. I love the back. I wore it with this hairband by a brand called Atelier by Riddhi Sood. The bag is from Veromoda, and the lehenga is like my own customized design, so I got it done myself. And I didn't get any references from the internet. My sister is a fashion designer, like her degree is that. So yeah, and the hair and makeup on all the occasions is done by yours truly, makeup by Naaz Arora. Follow us on Instagram. Last is this daytime look for the Gurdwara wedding. I wore a suit with tilla work, and I love how beautiful this pastel A-line suit looked. The makeup and hair again is done by me. I kept it very simple. The bag is same. I wore the rings from my mom's closet and the earrings as well. The heels are from Zara. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing wedding lookbook. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.